IPVANISH. Click the link in the description below.
Alright, let's install the most famous add-on of all, the crew. Before we get to the crew, and by the way it uses real debrid, we're going to need to click on the gear, move down to system, click on system. Back up to the top left here, come on down to add-ons, move to the right and up to unknown sources, and if yours is like that, you click it once, you press yes, and you never repeat that step again. Let's go back one screen. Next, we're going to make our way over to the file manager here. Let's click on file manager. Go all the way to the bottom here on the left to add source. Let's double click. Move over to the blue none, single click, and let's enter that repo address. Once you've entered that address, you can click OK. We're going to need to name this. Let's just call it crew and click OK. Doesn't matter what you call it. Let's go back one screen. Now I want you to go up to add-ons here. Let's click on add-ons. Let's go down this list to install from zip file and click that option. Scan your list for crew. There it is. Click on crew. There's the zip file. Click the zip. It's going to start to unzip that file and we'll see a notification in the top right hand corner. And there it is. When you see that message, you can then go to install from repository. We're going to go down this list till we come to the crew repo. Let's double click on that option. Let's go down to the very bottom option here, marked video add-ons, and select that option. And then there's the crew in pink. So let's click on it from here, go to install, and lastly click OK. And when you see that message from the crew, you're good to go. There's a check mark there too, so let's click on it from here and go to open. And there we go. So we've got movies, TV shows, sports, a whole bunch of other stuff. Like I said, it's a real debrid service. I have no affiliation with that. If you sign up for the debrid service, you can do some searching here, and a ton of links will come up that work really nicely. So you can pay a small fee for that and enjoy the crew.